guys, and welcome back to Coaster Kid Official, and today we are at Worth Valley Railway to go on a diesel train and then switch to a steam train, and then let's have some fun. It is so loud. Jeez. Must have put all of that train. So now we're in the carriage of the diesel train. We're actually in the closest one to the actual engine, so we'll be setting off shortly and I'll update you then. There's actually some really nice paintings in here. That one was done in 1993. I think that is Howarth. I think I've actually been up that road in real life. So now we're just going through Keighley. It's a good view from the train window. I think we're going to be going through a tunnel shortly, which is cool. Slowing down. This is so cool. Oh, we're going through a tunnel. Oh, wow. There we go. Ooh, what is that thing? Oh, what's that? What was that? No, what was the thing? Like half tank, half jeep. What was that? Engine cranes. All right, that's a tunnel to hell. That. Hello. I love Ingro. Oh, the chippy.
Look, what's that sign there, say, behind the bush? Keep clear, unexploded bomb.
There's a bomb in there. Is that legal? There's gas as well. Oh my god. There we go. There it is. Oh my. Here we go. A lot of stuff. Never mind. Oh yeah, we're definitely stopping. Denen's station.
The house there was in the film The Railway Children.
I don't know anything about the Railway Children. Well, that's cool. That's actually cool. the steam train comes. So there's this thing. It's the 1940's weekend. This weekend. So basically, it's just based on World War II and how Britain won. Because very recently it was VE Day, which is Victory in Europe Day. What is that? It's not a Black 5 actually. Oh God, oh. Yeah, well. Signal box. That looks like a flipping fun job. So the next station to arrive at is Oakley. I've been on that one. Okay, right, this is going to be interesting. All worn down old freight things, see? I mean, that red one looks pretty new. And this is Oakworth. That's a crane. I think he's dressed up as Winston Churchill. Dig for victory.
That's not going to be bummed, isn't it? Eh?
I just fell because the train stopped.
Alright. Yeah.
Yeah. So now we're in Oxenhope. And we're gonna go look in an engine shed where the engines don't run anymore. Warning, losing compromises. Oh! There's nobody in here. That's so cool. So what we're going to do is we'll go down to Haworth because more things will be happening. So let's go. So this is Grandad, a very smart person who knows a lot about Worth Valley Railway. Back when he was a young kid, it was only settling down from the war. We're here in Haworth and there's music playing. That's cool. These are the jeeps with a rifle. So I got myself a bacon and egg sandwich. We're at Oxenhope getting some food and then we're going to get the train all the way up back to Haworth and go up the main street. So they took the steam train and put it on the diesel and now they are both pulling at once. Coming up into Oxenhope. So this is the tag team. To not Oxenhope, Keighley. Oh, we stopped and that'll be it. Going so fast right now. Just coming down into Keighley now. People cope with the noise. There it goes. Yay! I had to cover my ears for life, but it still made me jump because the exact millisecond I took my fingers out my ears. Both of them. whistles and horns went up once, and I like it. So that is pretty much it for today's video. If you liked it, subscribe and like and comment down below. Which train do you like more? Do you like diesels or steam trains? Because I like steam trains more. So, see you later and bye.
Bye.
Yo, it's Coaster Kid, coming in fast, rolling through theme parks, having a blast. From loops to drops, he's never afraid, living his best life every single day. Screaming with joy, got that front seat vibe, living life loud, that's how we ride. Smiles for miles, sunshine or drizzle, it's all good on Coaster Kid official. Attractions, action, maxing out the fun. Every day's a party when the ride's begun. So hit subscribe, don't miss the show. Let's go, let's go, let's go.